Welcome, my name is Matt Delaney and I work for Auburn Manufacturing. We're here today to show you our evergreen cut and wrap modular mechanical insulation product, which comes in a 4x8 sheet, quilted sheet I should say, with a roll of hook and loop. Today we're going to show you to do a little bit more difficult application as opposed to the small rectangle valves we did last week, or the flanges I should say. And we're going to show you how to cut the product out of the sheet. Comes in the quilted sheet, as I said, and we pre-cut a template, and we'll show you how we did this. We laid it out so that when you measure, and I know this is 31 inches here, so I know I'm going to want to make that longer, and then this is about 18 to 20 inches, and I'm going to cut that at 24 inches. So I'm going to cut this piece right off. And I know that these are 8 inches, so it makes it simple. The cut's going to be between the seams. And so we would cut this end piece off. We would cut at an angle here, straighten it out in here, and you can see from the template that was pretty simple to cut. We have a fire stapler, so where we cut, we're going to take and we're going to staple a seam to keep that together. After that, we would take our Velcro or hook and loop, which are pre-cut, and we staple those on the edges, and then we're ready to go. So we take this, bring this over to the gate valve, unroll the hook and loop, and you can certainly make adjustments after you get it on. Make sure you got it nice and snug. And there you have it. Cut, wrap, and strap. That was pretty quick and simple. If you're going to do 5 of these, you're going to use that as a template and cut them out. And immediately, you're saving energy. You're dropping CO2 emissions. Much safer for the staff. Nobody's going to burn themselves. And when you have to do service, this is going to come off like so. Pretty quick to take it off. You would service the component, and this is going to stay flexible. As you can see, it's pretty flexible. Doesn't have any binders in it. It's not going to dry out, and it will be that much easier to put it back on again as opposed to some of the other pads that are stiff and you find them on the floor and people don't put them back on. So we can, the other thing we can do is we can calculate how much material you need for a job. That's something we have. We have a product on our website that you can use to do it yourself, or call us and we'll do it. And there you have it. Cut, wrap, and strap. Give us a call, we'll help you out.